guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vicky XV and I am back with another video. In today's video we are going to be getting into do-it-yourself oatmeal mat.
What? It's Chewy. What? And the time coming, I can feel it. I ain't really got no feelings. Look. What? I know my time coming, I can feel it.
I have been getting really irritated wearing these masks during this pandemic, and my face tends to break out exactly where the masks are. So I decided it's my day off, it's the weekend, I'm going to pamper myself. So after embarrassing myself, like I got butter on my fingers, oatmeal is really good for removing dirt and oil and unclogging pores. It removes dead skin cells. It is anti-inflammatory as well as an antioxidant. So when it comes down to honey, honey helps the skin stay moist and not oily, which is perfect for the summer. Lemon juice brightens and lightens the skin, is full of vitamin C and removes dead skin cells. So me personally, I like to blend my oats, mainly because it's easier for me to spread the face mask.
When you come around, there's no love now. You want a book and a bird doing subs now? You should be a dime, you a dub now. Hey, you a dog. You should be a dime, you a dub now.
Look at that strong ass vein busting out my leg. Look at that, it's busting out the seam.
You should be a dime, you a dub now. And though we was rolling, you had me so focused. And when we was talking, you had me so open. I used to dive in that shit like an ocean and push you so water. You was with me when I was bagging up quarters. Told your mother I take care of her daughter. Then you just got up and left like it's nothing. Tried to come back to me when I start stunting, but you was really just playing your part. How would I know you would play with my heart? I should've known you was fake from the start. I really seen you just drifting apart. When I was all on you and you wasn't on me, that shit was beyond me. I really don't get it. Everything that you would ask, I would get it. Gave you good dick, girl, how could you forget it? You was a dime, you really a dub now. Facts, like a 2 for 15. I just sit back when I'm rolling that bean. Look at your text, I hit you with that scene. I want this money, girl, you in between. Texting and fussing when I'm with the team.
After the tribes and tribulations, I decided to reward myself with some grandma cookies. And in a minute, you're going to see my co-host look around like, you better not drop nothing else on this floor. Now with the lemon juice, I'm starting off with really small portions because I do not want to make the mass really watery, only because I only blended a certain amount of oatmeal, so I don't have enough to go back and blend. Ooh, cookie. Anywho, I just added, I believe like 2 caps into that mix, and then I stir it. I'm gonna add a little honey, and I'm gonna whip it up. And I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon juice, and you're just gonna add little by little until you get the perfect consistency. But do not over add because you'll have to start over if it's too watery. It's gonna run down your chest, baby. Run down your chest, baby. Look at them grandma cookies, girl.
Pulled up on you that night. Bad little thing, make a nigga won't fight. Had a young nigga thinking about his whole life. And when I was locked down, she the only one that right. Promise when I touch down, we gon' take flight. Maybe to Miami with the weather.
Yeah, y'all know me.
An ex-nigga lame, never about that life. All them other niggas lame, girl. That ain't never gonna change, girl. They gon' put you through that pain, girl. I would never do the same, girl. And a couple times we parted, remember while we started.
When applying a mask, if your mask gets like a little bit too thick or hard to spread, just add a little bit more lemon juice and you should be fine, and it should be easy to spread.
No kisses, no none, no hugs now. You should be a dime, you a dub now. Dub now, dub now. You should be a dime, you a dub now. And when you come around, there's no love now. You want a book and a bird doing subs now? You should be a dime, you a dub now. Hey, you a dub. You should be a dime, you a dub now. Hey, you a dub. And when you come around, there's no love now. No kisses, no none, no hugs now. You want a book and a gram doing subs now? You should be a dime, you a dub now.
So after washing off the mask, I let my face air dry. I do have a paper towel for the little driplets that was trying to escape my chin. Pause. One thing I can say about this mask is that my skin is extremely moisturized, but it is not oily, which is perfect for the summertime weather and during the pandemic, because wearing those masks, you're just behind there creating your own little steam vessel, steaming up your face. More the story is, this mask is just so helpful. Thank you guys for stopping by. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Remember to turn on that bell notification so every time I upload a video, you know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
And when you come around, there's no love now. No kisses, no none, no hugs now. You on the book and the gram throwing subs now.